If you are a parent or you have a job but you want to make extra income online, then watch this video till the end. We have many ways you can make money online. We have dropshipping, freelancing, digital marketing, and affiliate marketing. Some of these ways are ethical, like dropshipping, and you require a lot of capital in order to get started. But with affiliate marketing, you can make money just with your smartphone and internet connection. But all you require is to learn the affiliate marketing skills, the sales and marketing part. And you can spend just 1 hour a day just doing this. This is what I'm doing currently, just promoting other people's products and earning a commission, especially with digital products where I earn up to 50% commission. So if you want to get started, comment interested. You can also DM me, because I'm here to share with you a step-by-step process for you to follow until you make your first income. All I need from you is just dedication and be willing to learn. So if you are not willing to learn a skill, don't even comment or reach out to me, because I don't want people who are here to just waste my time. You must be serious and you must be ready to dedicate the next 3 months working online in order to gain traction and make money that can be able to sustain you and your family apart from just your job. Many people are making money online right now because we have the power of the internet and you cannot utilize it. Even people who have not gone to school can do this. All you just need is a smartphone, be coachable, and be ready to learn all the skills that you are required to have in order to make money online. So comment interested, DM, and you can follow me, because this is for people who are currently following me. So share this video for your friends who are interested in making money online, because this opportunity is for everyone.